Auditing is a complicated and essential step in the security process. At CertiK, we review the top DeFi projects to help you better understand the findings from our experts. CreDA, Credit Data Alliance, is the first trusted credit rating system for the world of decentralized finance and the link between on-chain and traditional financial systems. This audit covers CreDA on the Arbitrum platform. The summary describes the audit and the types of analyses used. Overview shows the programming language, the blockchain used, and a link to the project's codebase. The vulnerability summary lists issues that need resolution. Audit Scope displays which contracts were audited. Findings highlight all issues and ranks them in terms of severity from critical to discussion. In this audit, we found 0 critical, 1 major, 1 medium, 4 minor, and 8 informational issues. CreDA has resolved 10 of the issues. Visit CertiK.com for the full report.